हमेशा खुश रहिए। दिस इज JVN डॉक्टर विशाल सक्सेना, एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर इन मैथमेटिक्स इन जयवती विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर। Today I am going to discuss about the module drafting or framing the questionnaire. This module is a part of the course quantitative and statistical techniques in the program PhD coursework. So first we see what is the meaning of questionnaire and the meaning of framing. A structured interview or the survey that is based upon a pre-decided questionnaire is one of the best and most effective means of collecting data directly from the outside world or the public. It is a strong tool used for sociological and psychological research as well as by business studies, determining various trends and behavior patterns of humans. Unlike other human behaviors, determining tools such as observations and experimentation, questionnaire-based surveys and interviews have a higher statistically reproducibility value. Now we take some steps to clear this framing of the questionnaire for the data collection. So the point 1 is identify the variables and the exact information that we see from the questionnaire. In order to get usable data from a questionnaire, the research must first be clear about the information that he seeks to gain. Based upon the research question, determine the variables of the study and define the exact information needed to answer the research question. Second, write down all the questions that help you get the information you require. Break down the research question and variables into several short dot-ended questions. Put them down on a paper for easy reference. Since this would be the first draft, create as many valid questions as you can. Third point is go through each questionnaire and filter them out. Once you are done with the first draft, read each of the question carefully and group them based upon similarity of ideas. Remove duplicates. In case of two similar questions, choose the one that conveys the message better to the target audience. The point 4th is order the questions in a logical manner. Based upon the groups, order the questions in a logical flow and the manner. Ideally, start the questionnaire with easy to answer questions and slowly proceed to the tougher questions. Point number 5th is match the language to the target group. It is essential to have clarity about the language used by the target respondents. In case the respondents speak a foreign language, it is better to get the questionnaire translated in the local language. You may choose to have two sets of questionnaire, one in the English language and other in the local language, or incorporate both in the same questionnaire. This decision will depend upon the comfort level if your target respondents. 6th point, review and edit each question for grammar and spelling errors. Ensure that each question clearly conveys the idea and does not leave a gap for different interpretations. especially in case of translated questionnaires. And the seventh and the last point is add an introductory note to the questionnaire. This will make the respondents more comfortable and give an idea about what they can expect in the questionnaire. So today we have taken these 7 points for the framing of questionnaire, and with this just I conclude today's lecture. This session is powered by Digital Version 2, Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope all you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve your doubts and problems. Thank you.